GetTransfer.com is the #1 destination for booking global travel mobility services. We are the largest global travel mobility marketplace where you can book transfers, rides, hourly car rentals with driver, and delivery services in any country in the world. Powered by best prices and car descriptions and photos before you go. I am delighted to introduce you to a range of fantastic features that 2023 has to offer. An exceptional approach that sets us apart. Our meticulous background checks ensure we only select verified carriers. We perform driver readiness checks to ensure reliability and professionalism. Count on our dedicated support center for assistance at every step. Look at the number of reviews, a very cool free service for those who worry. You don't have to worry anymore about which carrier to choose. Look at what the ratings are and how many there are. Choose the ones with the most reviews. Diamond Selection is an additional cost-free and incredibly appealing choice for individuals in search of brand new automobiles. We offer a collection of top-tier, new cars at prices even more affordable than those of popular ride-hailing services, catering to a discerning audience. Our rigorous inspections ensure that the vehicle is no more than 2 years old, with mileage below 30,000. We also verify the brand and category of the car, guaranteeing alignment with our VIP and premium classifications. VIP Concierge is an exclusive paid service designed for individuals with extremely high standards and their assistants. By paying an additional fee, you can enjoy complete peace of mind. Our dedicated personal concierge is available 24/7, ready to assist you at any time. We provide online appointment tracking for your convenience. Additionally, we offer control over dress code and welcome signage to ensure a personalized experience. To ensure a seamless experience, we conduct a series of checks, including verifying if the plane arrives ahead of schedule, confirming the presence of the driver in advance, especially for clients using Fast Track or Smart Gate services, ensuring the driver's location is on track, and verifying the photo of the meeting sign and dress code. We encourage you to contact our support team with any inquiries you may have. Rest assured, we are here to assist you.